Hi there, nature lovers. Today, I invite you to dive into the mesmerizing world of fungi. Now, when you think of fungi, you might picture a mushroom sprouting up in your yard after a rainy day. But trust me, there's so much more to these fascinating organisms than meets the eye. Let's start with the basics. Fungi are neither plants nor animals. They belong to their own unique kingdom, encompassing a bewildering variety of forms. From the delicious mushrooms you might sauté for dinner, to the mold that grows on old bread, fungi are everywhere. But beyond the familiar, there lies a hidden world. Beneath our feet, intricately woven networks of mycelium, essentially the roots of fungi, stretch for miles. These mycorrhizal networks play a crucial role in ecosystems, acting like the internet of the forest. Through these underground highways, trees and plants communicate, sharing nutrients and even warning each other of dangers. Isn't that incredible? One of the most astounding revelations about fungi is their ability to break down organic matter. They're nature's recyclers, transforming dead leaves, wood, and even animal remains back into nutrients that enrich the soil. Without fungi, our world would be buried under mountains of debris. They're the unsung heroes that keep our ecosystems functioning. And let's not forget the symbiotic relationships fungi form with other organisms. Lichens, for example, are partnerships between fungi and algae or cyanobacteria. Together, they thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth, from Arctic tundras to scorching deserts. These partnerships showcase the resilience and adaptability of life. Fungi have also gifted us with incredible benefits. Penicillin, the world's first antibiotic, was derived from a mold. Today, fungi continue to be a source of life-saving medications, as well as innovations in sustainable materials and food production. They truly are nature's treasure trove. So next time you see a mushroom poking through the soil, take a moment to appreciate the vast, unseen world beneath it. Fungi may be humble, but their impact on our planet is nothing short of magnificent. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the secret life of fungi. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like and subscribe for more nature wonders. Until next time, keep marveling at the hidden beauty all around us.